Hello, friends. Who doesn't want to project himself as a very wise, very intelligent, and very learned person? Everybody. And who else you would show it to than kids? तुम तो सब जानते हो ना. बच्चों को नहीं पता होता तो बच्चों पे ज्ञान पे लो अपना, राइट. सबसे अच्छा मौका होता है बच्चों को पकड़ो, उनको सिखाओ. वही है. आज I want to talk to you about a situation that came in front of me. My son Shashwat came to me in very high spirit, and he wanted to show me something. He grabbed an old computer, laptop of mine. It is a Dell Latitude, very old computer with Windows XP. And there was this port. He simply came and told me, I know what this port is. Sometimes he has a ability or he has his grandiose attitude, so he would claim that he knows this. Already he knows. He would not ask. He says, I know it. This is the uniqueness of the learning situation that I want to talk to you about. He said, I already know what this port is. He says this port is for fitting the audio cassettes like this. This is not an audio cassette, it goes in this, the old kind of recorders we used to have magnetic tapes. Now you have a very unique learning situation where the learner is claiming a false thing. He says already he knows it in his overconfidence. He is overconfident. He does not have his facts right. He claims that port is for reading these cassettes. It's not coming out. There is a cassette here. What would you have done? What any parent would have done? I don't know about you. I would just share what I did. And I'm not claiming that I did everything right. I'm just sharing what I did. And this approach I have learned from a lot of experience, a lot of hit and trial, a lot of mistakes. And after seeing that in practice, it shows the best results. What I did, when he came and made these tall claims, false claims, stupid claims, overconfident claims, I stayed mum. He wanted my approval of this claim. He basically came to me asking that, is my claim right? So you approve it. Or if I'm wrong, tell me so. This was the basic idea of that situation. What I did, I said, I don't know. What port is this? Question ही खत्म हो गया. सवाल ही खत्म हो गया अथॉरिटी का, that I know more than you. सवाल खत्म. अब हम और तुम दोनों बराबर हैं. Let us go. Look for it now. Now, instead of one learner, now there are two learners. Both at the same level. Imagine the beauty of the situation. Instead of me telling him that, no, you don't know. I am older than you. This is my computer and I know what port is this. क्या होता? तुम ज्ञानी कहलाते, बड़े हो जाते, ज़्यादा ज्ञान है तुम्हारे पास, ज़्यादा नॉलेज है तुम्हारे पास. You would have felt an ego boost, but it would have spelled disaster for that learning journey. What do you want? You want to get an ego boost or you want to help your learner learn? I want my learner to learn. I don't want an ego boost, nothing. So I simply refused that I know anything about it. Now, whenever I find him in a learning situation where I can exert more, he can exert more and learn more, then I would ask him, go find yourself, and when you learn, tell me also. I would also learn. So he went out, he found the model number, and then he found the data sheet, explored on internet, found, अरे यार ये तो पोर्ट वो नहीं है, ये तो दूसरा पोर्ट है, अरे देखो इसका डायमेंशन भी अलग है. When he matched the dimension, the audio cassette would not go inside. So you knew, यार ये तो गड़बड़ हो गई, मैंने ज़्यादा बोल दिया था उस टाइम पे. But even if he was a sole witness to his tall claims, he only knew that I made a mistake. I made a tall claim. I was overconfident. Nobody pointed out that mistake to him. He had his ego intact. He had his confidence intact. He had his learning, questioning ability intact. His ego was not bruised. His learning instincts are right. There are many things where we have to hold this instinct in high spirit. आपको लगता है कि ये वही है तो बोल दो उसको, पता करो यार, go test it. He made an observation. He had this instinct in his head. Oh my goodness, ये तो वही है यार. जो साइंटिफिक डेवलपमेंट्स हुए हैं वो इंस्टिंक्ट पे ज़्यादा हुए हैं. ज्ञान अपने पास रखो. तो बच्चों में ये इंस्टिंक्ट डेवलप होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. और जैसे ही आप उनको रोकते हैं और आप कहते हैं कि अरे रुक, गलत कर रहा है, मैं बताता हूँ तेरे को क्या, देन यू आर यूजिंग योर नॉलेज. ही इज़ नॉट डेवलपिंग एन इंस्टिंक्ट फॉर इट. So more than the knowledge, that instinct is important. Many times the instincts are wrong. In this case, his instincts were wrong. But I would still want him to hone that skill, hone that instinct. पता लगे मेरी सीमाएं कहाँ हैं, कितनी दूर फेंक सकता हूँ, कितनी दूर नहीं फेंक सकता, कितना ऊंचा जा सकता हूँ, कितना नहीं जा सकता, कहाँ पे टॉल क्लेम हो जाएगा, कहाँ सही क्लेम हो जाएगा. ऐसा. So finally, this situation folded out very well. He came out a winner. He found the actual answer without my help. And I also won with him, and in a healthy spirit. So whenever, I don't know how you handle this situation, many parents would jump to this opportunity. अबे ये गलत कर रहा है तो मैं बताता हूँ तेरे को सही क्या है यार, तुझे क्या पता, मैं बताता हूँ. कोई भी जब भी आपको सही करेगा ना, आपकी नज़र थोड़ा नीचे है. हमेशा कोई भी गलत को सही करता है तो जो लर्नर है उसका अपने आप से थोड़ा सा कहीं कुछ टूट जाता है. समथिंग ब्रेक्स इनसाइड यू, वेदर यू शो इट और डोंट शो इट. सो लेट अस हेल्प द लर्नर्स क्वेस्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चनिंग इंटैक्ट. इवन इफ वो सही है गलत है, लेट हिम. Questions are their own, answers be their own. Don't give your opinion, don't give your gyan unless asked for. Unsolicited, no. If you would have asked for it, can you help me here? Identify, I would have done that. Magar, if it is not solicited, don't do it. I won't do it. There are many approaches to it. I don't know how you guys do it. हर एक का अपना अपना तरीका है. People jump at the very first opportunity to correct somebody else. Kids are at the forefront of it. They have to bear everything. दूर जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं, मेरे घर में होता है रोज. If he is making a mistake, his mother would be the very first one to grab him and stop him from doing it. पहली बार नहीं करोगे तो कब होगा? अभी नहीं करेगा कब होगा? बड़ा हो जाएगा, सीखेगा कब? अभी सीखना है ना. This is the problem. And I say, जो सिखा रहे हैं वो हम सिखा रहे हैं ना, वो हमारा ज्ञान है, वो इसका ज्ञान नहीं है. ही हैज़ टू मेक हिज ओन मेंटल स्कैफोल्डिंग, ही हैज़ टू मेक हिज ओन मेंटल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ लर्निंग. खुद बनाना पड़ेगा, खुद बनाना चाहिए. तो आई डोंट डू इट. आप लोग कैसे करते हैं बताइए. मैंने इस तरह से किया, मुझे नहीं पता ये सही है या नहीं, मगर मैंने इसके रिजल्ट्स देखे तो रिजल्ट्स आर वेरी गुड. तो जब तक कोई पूछता नहीं है, कीप योर ज्ञान टू योर सेल्फ. Let them explore, help them explore. They have come to a unique situation now. There they can be helped. But if you give them a ready-made answer, the quest of looking for answer would be quashed. There won't be a quest. You would not be looking for an answer because तुम्हारे पास तो है ना. हो सकता है कि नए सिरे से कोई नई चीज़ मिल जाए. जब दोनों मिल के ढूंढें तो हो सकता है मैंने वो डाटा शीट पढ़ी होती, आई वुड हैव लर्न समथिंग न्यू. आई वॉज बिजी, आई डिडंट रीड दैट वे. सो अगर ऐसी सिचुएशन होती है तो वी शुड हेल्प द लर्नर विद ए व्यू, लॉन्ग टर्म व्यू, नॉट द शॉर्ट टर्म व्यू कि अपना ज्ञान बघार के हम अपनी ईगो ऊपर करें. तो जहाँ तक हो सके अवॉइड करो, बच्चों को खुद एक्सप्लोर करने दो. इफ़ इट इज़ नॉट लाइफ थ्रेटनिंग, आई लेट हिम एक्सप्लोर. I am not saying that I am doing something unique, but this I have experienced and I have seen the results. So if we come, I see him using a wrong spelling, I don't immediately correct him. I don't immediately correct him. I correct only when this is a life-threatening situation. He is about to touch a naked wire. I would stop him. If he is about to blow a capacitor, let him do it. I would not stop him. So if you come across this kind of a situation, it is your learning journey. You decide for yourself. I'm just sharing how I handle it. Maybe some people might relate to it and say, हाँ यार ऐसा मैंने सोचा नहीं था, because I was also like that. I would, step in and correct every time he would make mistake. But then I learned. I read John Holt, I read many places. I said, no, the natural learning has to take place. Then we have to check ourselves and step in only when asked. आपको कैसा लगेगा अगर आपका दोस्त है, आपका बॉस है, वो बिना बात के, बिना पूछे आपको मशवरा देने लगे? जब भी किसी की गलती मिलती है तो थोड़ा नीचे दिखना पड़ता है ना. हाँ मैं कहता नहीं बेटा ये तो वो नहीं है, ये तो ऑडियो है. वो कहता हाँ अच्छा तो मैं गलत था. हाँ बट जब उसने खुद पता किया कि वो गलत था, इट इज़ अ विक्ट्री फॉर हिम. ऐसा तो लेट द लर्नर फाइंड आउट कहाँ गलत है. ये एक यूनिक लर्निंग सिचुएशन थी, तो मैंने सोचा आपको बात करते हैं इस बारे में. ऐसा कई लोग ऐसी गलती करते हैं. मेरे घर में गलतियाँ होती हैं. माई वाइफ इज़ वन ऑफ दैम. शी वुड इमीडिएटली इंस्टेंटली स्टॉप हिम from making wrong observations, from making wrong judgments, from making wrong actions. Instantly अभी के अभी रुक जा. मैं कहता हूँ कर तू, अपने आप देखेंगे आगे. You would learn. तो अपने अपने लर्निंग के तरीका, मेरा ये तरीका है. शायद आप में से कोई करता हो इस तरीके से, तो बताओ, आगे देखते हम भी कुछ सीखेंगे. हाँ शुक्रिया दोस्तों. बच्चों को सीखने दो, अपने तरीके से सीखने दो, और कम से कम इंटरफियरेंस करो. इतनी बात है बस, और कुछ नहीं है. ओके.